Hi, in this video, I will guide you through the steps to install Ferrero Collection Bathroom Linen Cabinet from Water Creation. All hardware are included. This product is shipped in 2 boxes. First, get the side frame from the taller box, place it on a soft surface. Then get the cabinet from the other box, place it on the frame sideway, and align the screw holes. Pass the long bolts through the spring washers and flat washers, then fasten the cabinet with them. Next, place the fixed shelf on the side frame and align the screw holes. Fasten it with long bolts with spring and flat washers. Then place another side frame on the cabinet and fixed shelf. Fasten it with long bolts with washers. Fasten the fixed shelf with long bolts with washers as well. Stand up the whole shelf and insert shelf pins into desired height. Simply place the adjustable shelf on. Move on to the inside of the cabinet. Fasten cabinet to the side frames with long bolts and washers. Then insert shelf pins to desired location. Place the adjustable shelf on and fasten it with screws from bottom. Finally, place the whole shelf to your desired location and secure it with the long screws provided. Please click upper right corner for mounting demonstration. Water Creation. Crafted for you.